Hi everyone. This week I'm coming to you from the county's new mass vaccination site at Montgomery College Germantown campus. We've been working to get this site open for months, and I'm thrilled that working with the state and with the support of our state officials, our federal officials, and the county council, we are finally able to provide COVID-19 vaccines for thousands of Montgomery County residents through this site. This site has the capacity to administer 3,000 vaccinations per day. We set up this site last week in preparation for today's opening and for providing vaccinations to thousands of people for weeks and hopefully not too many more months to come. The people here, from the healthcare workers and first responders to volunteers and people getting their shots, tell me they have a deep sense of relief that they can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Everybody wants the shot. There are some people who are anxious about it, and I enjoy even spending time with them and relaxing them and getting them ready for it. But once the shot's given, everybody is so happy about it. Yeah.
So I'm doing this because I love to help. I've always loved to help. I love to help friends, family, or just strangers, and it makes me feel good just to come out here and do my part for the community and help.
I'm overwhelmed by the sense of community and compassion that these clinics provide. We are all working to the same goal, and that is something we can all be proud of. This week, our county and our nation will commemorate National Public Health Week. For the last year, I've witnessed the incredible work and dedication of our public health staff and the help they've given our residents during this very difficult time. I think that we have all learned how vital the health department is to our community, and National Public Health Week is our time to recognize and thank the people who have worked tirelessly to protect our quality of life, make Montgomery County a healthier place for all, and to do so at their own risk. I am deeply grateful to our healthcare workers and our emergency responders, our frontline workers, our teachers, all of our residents, all of you, for everything that you've done to keep our county and each other safe during this time. I do not believe we would have been able to accomplish as much as we have were it not for the willingness of our county's residents to continue to follow the guidelines on safety that we've been putting out there for the last many months. Every vaccine is getting us that much closer to the end of the pandemic. And the state has changed its guidance so that anyone 16 years and older can now register. But you still need to register, so please do that. And please remember, just because you are eligible does not mean you will get an appointment immediately. There are still far more people eligible to get these shots than there are vaccines available on a weekly basis. Even with this site, we will be somewhere in the neighborhood of being able to give out 40 to 50,000 doses in the county for the immediate future. So please have patience. You will get your vaccine, and we're going to get through this together. I want to end on two other notes. First, I want to talk about the importance of testing. We need to know where the virus is. We need to see where the concentrations of infections are. And perhaps most importantly now, we need to be able to identify where the new variants are in the community. These variants are problematic. Many public health officials find them troubling. And we need to be sure we know where those variants are so we can be able to respond quickly to make sure that we're able to get people vaccines and also do contact tracing and identify people who might be at risk. The second thing I just want to emphasize is the need to stick with our safety protocols. Masking, keeping a physical distance, all these things are as important today as they were before. With the large number of people in the county who are still not vaccinated, as long as people come in contact with each other, we remain at risk of transmitting the virus. It's the masking, the not touching, the maintaining the physical distance that allows us to have some control over the spread of the virus. It's not perfect, but it's what we can do, and it has contributed greatly to the safety that we have in the county today. So please continue to mask up and keep a physical distance. Again, thank you all very much. You are the reason we've been as successful as we have, and hopefully soon we'll be returning to a more normal way of life. And I know everybody's going to be very happy about that.